Ufuna ulwazi, ufuna ulwazi, abanye. 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 Ufuna ulwazi, ufuna ulwazi, abanye.
We are here to talk about gender-based violence. The things that we see, the things that we talk about, and the things that affect us as learners and our families. Yes, okay?
Ukudla kwethula esikoleni noma usuke ekhaya usuka wedwa kini udlala esikoleni ngento esethile yokuthi khona ethile ofunayo esikoleni.
Sizele into eyodwa sonke la, sizele ukuzofunda, sizele ukuzobambisana, sizele ukuzoqinisana. Ngethi kuyakho ukuthi ngaphumelele. Ngoba kusemali esikoleni. So thina engakusho ukuthi i-GBV asayibo lokuthina esikoleni njalo.
Kodwa labona kubalulekile ukuthi luze esukuma siyabonga kakhulu. Siyacabanga ukuthi lokho abasilethele khona nizokuzwa, nikulalele, nikwenze. Angithi kukhulunywa ngobulili, kuzokhulunywa nangokunye, kwakhulunywa ngo-women abuse.
Ukhozi FM luhamba phambili